If Claude Desktop is giving you errors, freezing, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem fast. We'll start by force closing any background processes, then we'll clear the cache, and if needed, we'll do a fresh reinstall so you can get Claude Desktop running again. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we need to make sure Claude Desktop is fully closed. Sometimes the app looks like it's shut down, but a background process is still running and causing the error to stick around. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. On Mac, open Activity Monitor from your Applications folder or use Spotlight Search. Once you're inside, look for anything named Claude or Claude Desktop. If you see it running, select it and end the task or quit the process completely. This gives the app a clean start and can instantly fix minor launch issues. Now that the background process is stopped, open Claude Desktop again. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. Depending on your version, this may be the 3 horizontal lines inside the app, or it may appear in the system menu bar at the top left on Mac. Click that menu, then choose Help. From there, go into Troubleshooting. Inside the Troubleshooting section, you should see an option that says Clear Cache and Restart. Click that option and let Claude Desktop do the rest. Clearing the cache is important because temporary files can become corrupted over time. When that happens, the app may crash, fail to load conversations, or show strange errors even though your internet and account are fine. By clearing the cache, you're basically giving Claude Desktop a fresh temporary workspace so it can rebuild those files cleanly when it restarts. After you click Clear Cache and Restart, wait for the app to close and relaunch automatically. Then check whether the error is gone. If Claude Desktop is still having problems after that, the next step is a fresh reinstall. This is the best option when the app files themselves may be damaged. Start by uninstalling Claude Desktop completely through your system settings. On Windows, go to Apps and Installed Programs, find Claude Desktop and uninstall it. On Mac, remove the app from your Applications folder and if needed, clear any leftover support files according to your system's uninstall process. The goal here is to fully remove the broken installation before putting a new one back on your computer. After uninstalling, go straight to Anthropic's official website and download the newest installer. Make sure you're getting the latest version from the official source so you know the app is safe and up to date. Once the download finishes, run the installer and follow the setup prompts. After installation, launch Claude Desktop again and sign in if needed. In most cases, this clean reinstall fixes persistent issues that cache clearing alone could not solve. So to quickly recap, first, force close Claude Desktop from Task Manager or Activity Monitor. Second, clear the cache from Help and Troubleshooting inside the app. And third, if the problem continues, uninstall the app and reinstall the latest version from Anthropic. These 3 steps solve a lot of common Claude Desktop errors and help you get back to work with minimal downtime. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you're still running into issues, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.